Okay, guys. Uh, Hold on. Is it? Wow, I'm so in the shadow. Hold on. Is it my? Oh, that's my other side. Okay. Okay. Let's see how we ended the day. Nothing here. Casco. Yeah, technically not a test retest. It's just it's extended. If I get stuck on this Casco like or here, it's not gonna be fine at all. And see this volume? Like technically it's but practically it's all here. It doesn't look like a reversal like at all. So I'm not crazy about this deal. You see what I'm saying? So the volume is not down there below. It's up there. It's up there. It doesn't look like a reversal volume. You know how pedantic I am about the levels, so sorry. I'll be adjusting them. You see, all this level here, it's weird, but I mean, it's US stocks. But it's basically like here, and then another volume here. Technically, I'll test it, but technically bullish, but practically. And you see, that's exactly where it stumbled, and now it's fighting here. And so now, after seeing this in 5 minutes, that's why we always work like superior inferior time frames, because they can complement each other. So I don't really know if it's the test of this or no. It's like I think it's too risky. I don't mind having Casca, but it's gonna be a bad deal. Like get stuck in here on the top, like here, and then wait at least for correction. You see this correction? It's like 20%. No, it's not a good deal. We'll keep an eye on it on Monday. I mean next day if it goes here. I don't know. I don't know what has to happen so that I like this deal, but we'll still keep an eye on it. Comcast, on the other hand, looks way more interesting to me. Yeah, test resumption. I'd go, and you see, on hourly volumes is here. You see the difference in between Costco and Comcast. Yeah, and that's I think all. Let's see real quick. Let's prep for tomorrow. Why my trading view is so slow? Is it because I'm streaming? Not sure. But real quick, let's see. Dow Jones manipulates T1. SPY forms T1 right here. So possible sign of correction. That's the biggest volume. Yeah, if it goes here, it's tradable. Russell retests monthly. Why did I was wrong. You see how volume grew here? So that's alarming a little bit, but technically it's an upthrust that has been tested right now. Technically didn't break the expanding creek yet. It needs to close above it with the reaction bar. So keep an eye on this tomorrow. It's interesting actually. Orexon, yeah, already used this potential. So potential from test is up to T1, and technically it's already did so. It didn't manipulate T1, which also like indicates the weakness of of the long trend. So it's exhausting because normally it needs to manipulate and go down, and then the test becomes a T2. You see like the visual difference, how like on daily it looks like it's this level is off, and on hourly you see it's like tick by tick, because we use like thick lines, that like the thickness of the bar that's added. Flux doing good. You see, formed the test level and then up thrusted the test level, but no volume. It resumes higher. This looks decent. Um, Technology sector technically up thrusted T1 level, so now its potential is up to zero point 0.5 and then resume. Accenture needs to uh, needs to test. See this volume? Like the volume on test exceeds the biggest volume of the long trend. And this. This is not a good sign. Nvidia closes above, so this level never existed. Never mind. So we're back to this situation with the biggest volume here. So this is our jump over creek, and you see how it coincides with 0.5 of the drawn from previous. See this volume? It doesn't exceed. Oh, it's bigger than the biggest volume of the um, long trend. That's a sign of reversal. Well, sign of potential slow down of the trend, of the impulse, correction or reversal. Okay. On hourly, let's find where it is on hourly. It's here, and it's been tested right now. It can resume. It's a strong market. Samsung. So previous level was here, and then that's our sign of strength, and it just tested it, manipulated it with this level, and that's a test right now. And once it resumes, technically, you see what I'm saying? Technically, it's a trade. Technically, it's a trade. It's a strong approach though, and volume is turn, and then this volume comes in. Yeah, broke below, and then the biggest. No, that's the biggest. No, it didn't go. I don't know. It's again, it's like so extended. I would be like super careful about trading anything here. So technically, you see like there was a gap, so it closed above the closing of the previous day. So you can also see it as the bullish movement. However, yeah, this doesn't look bad, but for an hourly trade, we would see it from here. Yeah, it's like way, because on the inferior time frame, if hourly is inferior time frame for our trade, but on daily we don't have nothing to rely on. Yeah, it's not in point 0.5 yet on daily. Yeah, only for 5 minutes, and for 5 minutes. Does Nvidia pay dividends or why it's in our list? How did we got Nvidia on our list? It doesn't pay dividends. It does pay dividends. Okay, where are they though? Oh, it's hourly. Yeah, here are dividends. Yeah, Nvidia pays dividends, so technically for 5 minute trade, there's nothing that, yeah, this volume looks good, and kind of like the take initiative takeover. I'll be figuring out the funny terms. Maybe they don't make much sense in English. It's my broken translation. So that's a transitory extremum, local extremum, breaks above. And now it is above. And now it is above, but changes direction right here. Right? You can say it's a balance. No, you cannot, and it breaks above here. Like a weak break, but it's a break. So what it does here, it changes the direction, right? And that was the biggest volume. Yes. It breaks below. And then that's a new T1 level for the, oops, sorry, I'm not sorry, for the short trend. Yeah. So if it comes tomorrow here, here, and you see this biggest volume, this actually, NVIDIA doesn't look bad. It's just like, I don't want to turn to hodler at this point. It's extended. But when it comes here, you see this volume? It's an end of the day volume too, but wait, hold on, exchange, right? But if it springs it here into 0.5 and this volume, and then if it goes here and then boom, springs and resumes and tests, because it's an aggressive trade right now. So it will do a new extremum, transitory extremum. Yeah, it's tradable. NVIDIA is tradable, you guys, on 5 minutes. It's just like, if I get stuck in it, that would suck. That would suck so, so bad. You see this? What if NVIDIA corrects even here? Yeah, I'm not sure it's a good, even here. It's 40%, you guys. But if it corrects like 2.5 of this entire movement, you know what? Let's keep an eye, but super care. I gotta be like so excited about this trade, because if my virtual stop locks me in, it doesn't click. If it goes against me, should I say us? If it goes against us and then doesn't work out and I can get out of the deal, then I'm just stuck in NVIDIA. Is it like all-time high? Tell me it's all-time high. Yeah. That's what I teach people not to do. Should we be mature and just not do that? Because, like, really, really, really. It's the risky, guys. We have to let it go, I think. I'll meditate on it, but my butt feels that like sitting over this correction is not gonna be fun. I promise you that. Sitting over this correction, more than 0.5% of this value, is not gonna be fun. We'll keep an eye. and try to be reasonable about it tomorrow. Now I think I feel too playful or something. And I should really close and be. Maybe it's like ceremonial cacao I'm drinking. Qualcomm gives us nothing. Yeah. This guy actually manipulated and tested. Manipulation test. Now it has potential to like top to here for a short, which we won't do. We'll wait for it to go here. Our coin is doing good. It's doing good. You see, after this like shortening of thrust, it goes bravely into this volume level. Looks good. IBM, something else. You guys want me to chart to draw on your stock? Send it to comments, and I'll be glad to take a look. Q's. Visa, JP Morgan, maybe resuming higher. Yeah. Bank of America resumes from 0.5 up. Financial industry manipulates the level. HSBC on its way to test the T1. It's kind of like it's an abandoned stock. See these gaps? However, still keep it on the calendar. XLP. Oh, yeah. We already. Back home, we say bite your elbow. We already beat our elbow on the consumer staples. However, this 0.5 is so close to the jump over creek level, so it's like it will be very risky to trade it here. Oh, Pepsi. Ooh, you see what it does to us. Pepsi. How could you? Yeah, this was a panic. Like, and after panic, a lot of times it's not gonna give you a good trading setup. So it looked like here, broke above. Now it's here. Yeah, now it's here with the biggest volume on this guy and 0.5 here. Yeah, looking long. Technically, and on daily too. We could have opened position on daily. There's some volume here. We could have opened position on daily. Oh, no, what I'm saying. Oh gosh, I was looking on monthly. Gosh, sorry. I need a break. No, we could have not opened position on daily because this definitely needs a test. On hourly though, we can keep an eye tomorrow. Looks good. Pepsi looks good for an hourly trade. Our Costco struggles at this level. Yeah, we already took a look at it. Costco, yeah, it's there. CVS. Yeah. It was this brutal correction with exhaustion here. Home Depot. Wait, what? What was it? This guy, it's already open. Yeah, looks good. Our military stock. Our Roku resumes. Comcast is open. Yeah, if you guys have more stocks, send them my way. I'll take a look at them. I'll take a look at them. Let's look at our futures. This guy. Let's take a look at our futures. And we'll back trade a little bit. Yeah. Yeah. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Yeah, you see, it went to this volume, and now trying to figure out what it wants to do. Uh, like this. Figures out what it wants to do with this volume. And we'll let it decide. And then we'll join the market. Always join in the direction of the strength and against the weakness. Boom. This level is broken. And since it's a bar level, not extendable. And here, guys, I think we should start. It's a bit counterintuitive, but at this point, we're not sure it's just the first sign of reversal of the trend. So we're not sure if it's short. Maybe it was just a mistake and it will go up there. So what I'll do for now, I'll start charting it. I'll start looking at it as at a thin lines long trend. To do. And it actually, no, it actually, yeah, it held here and then it held here. Yeah, so that's what we have. Boom, 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 expanding like this. Low. It doesn't matter, low to 20, 2260, close, 22. Well, technically it broke below, but then it broke again. Yeah, so we can put it like this. Yeah. So like this, like this, like this, like this. Okay, let's back trade this guy. We have tens, 11s. Tens. Hold on. Um, we need to be looking at it like this. So different time zones. For Bitcoin, it was long trend. Nothing here. We could only, yeah. broke and then breaks up here. Nothing on the 10th. Yeah, that's gonna be easy. And 11th, 5 p.m. It broke, but then the bar of reaction bar is short, so we couldn't watch into continuation of this. However, yeah, 11, 2 p.m. At 2 p.m. What happened here? Uh-huh. At 2 p.m. Oh, I think I have OCD for charting. I can't just watch them like this. Um, yeah, like when I see these gaps, it just like hurts my eyes. My grandparents all were engineers. I blame them. Wait, what happened here? Yeah. And here it never touched it really. Yeah. Yeah, so nothing. That was easy. That was easy for Bitcoin. 2 days of nothingness. Well, weekends. Sometimes it moves on the weekends, but sometimes, often. And I'm still not sure whether I like more often or often. But often, there's just nothing to do there. Just nothing to do there. Okay, guys, I'm gonna let you go. Um, Maybe I'll go live in the evening again, but we're prepped. We're prepped for tomorrow. We have this guy on deck still. Casco, if you want to get stuck on it so high. Comcast, like really attractive. Mm. Nvidia, we shouldn't really trade. And Pepsi. On the positive side, I'll be sleeping through this like 5 minute shebang, so most likely I'll wake up when the opportunity is gonna be gone. But realistically, shouldn't be even considering here. However, I will due to my rebellious spirit. Rebellious spirit. Okay, guys.